Meaning of fluctuation.
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 Fluctuation. Fluctuation refers to the variation or change in a quantity over time. It can refer to various kinds of variations, such as changes in temperature, stock prices, or interest rates. Fluctuation can be both positive and negative, and it is often used to describe trends or patterns in data. For example, if the stock market experiences fluctuations over a period of months, this may indicate that the market is unstable and unpredictable. In summary, fluctuation refers to the natural and inevitable variation that occurs in any system over time.